The Keystone Teacher Link is a way for students to connect one-on-one with Keystone teachers. The Teacher Link can be utilized by middle school and high school students for their English, science, social studies, and math courses. Students can contact teachers by phone, email, or chat in an online classroom. Hours of the Teacher Link are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hello, my name is Amy Wood. I'm an English instructor here at Keystone, and today we are going to review what to expect when you give a call into the English Teacher Link, or any teacher link for that matter. So when you call, you'll hear somebody answer and say, "Thank you for calling the English Teacher Link. This is Mrs. Wood. How can I help you?" And you will state what kind of help you need, whether that's reviewing some feedback, looking for instructions, questions about navigating your course, questions about how to submit things. And then the person will probably ask for your student ID number. This is very important. You should have your student ID number on hand. Try to remember it if you can. So we will get your student ID number and confirm the course name that you are referring to. And then once we get that information, we will hop into your course. So today we're going to use this course as an example, and I will show you what we can see on our end. We are able to go in and actually view grades. So we can go through here and look at your submissions. There aren't any submissions as of right now, but we would be able to click on your submission, look at your submission. We cannot review any work, but we can say, yes, we have the submission. Now, if there is some feedback that you would like to discuss, we could go in and read the feedback and kind of explain it to you further. And if you are looking for some sort of instructions that you can't find, we can also help with that. So we can get into the content and look through whatever unit it is. It's very helpful if you know the assignment name and number and which unit it could be found in. That helps us kind of navigate through the course a little bit easier to get to what you're looking at. So there are many different ways that we can help you. We can also go in and view it as you. So if you're having a specific problem, we can log in under your file and see exactly what you're seeing and help rectify the situation that way. So please reach out to us anytime Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and we would be happy to help you. Again, we can review content, help find directions, help clarify any feedback that you may have received, and we love to help, so please reach out.
When emailing the designated teacher link, be sure to use the email address on file with Keystone. Your email should include your full name and be as specific as possible. This includes listing the course name, lesson, and assignment you may have questions about. Being clear and specific with your questions allows teachers to easily help in their response back to you. Students can expect a teacher response within 90 minutes during Teacher Link hours, and if emailed outside of link hours, teachers will respond the following business day.
Hello, Keystone students. So one of our options here with TeacherLink is a live chat option. So we are joined here today in our social studies chat by Mr. Chrisman as well as Mrs. Bailey. Mrs. Bailey is going to just tell us what to expect as a student whenever you come into one of these chats. Mrs. Bailey, what should our Keystone students expect whenever they join us in one of these Keystone live chats?
Well, something that they can expect is coming on to the live chat. This is really going to be your main place for if you want a one-on-one time to ask us a question about your course. So it could be a question about the content. It can be a question about an assignment. If you're just having some issues, tech issues, this is the whole time that you can come in here, ask a teacher one-on-one, and have us answer your questions.
Wonderful. And what are some of the features that we benefit from a live chat? Like, do you have things like screen sharing?
We do. Obviously you're talking one on one to us, so we can hear you back and forth. We do have a chat that you can also chat with us. We do have screen sharing that we can share the course from our side, as well as if you're having maybe, let's say, a tech issue, we can ask you to share your screen so that we can better assist you and hopefully help you determine what the problem is.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mrs. Bailey. I appreciate your time today summarizing what students can experience in our live chats. It's just another option aside from our email and phone call communications. This is just a different way to help our students learn and grow with their time here at Keystone.